everybody's a little lethargic, but good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, dear sir.
All right.
Praise the Lord.
This should be a broken arm. Thank you. All right. This is a very special occasion. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Gary Dreyfus. I've been the artist in residence here at Riverway Innovative Senior Center for the past 6 months. Some of you have seen me perform, but today is not about me. Today is the final program of what's called Spark, Seniors Partnering with Artists Citywide. This is the 3rd year of the Spark program, and I've been blessed to have the grant this year. We've had a challenging 6 months. We had a miserable winter. We've had conflicts galore, but we had a steady stream of students who have practiced, worked very hard, and today is about them. Let me give you a brief idea of Spark. Spark is a program that was developed 3 years ago between the New York City Department of Cultural Affairs